how to give people Robux on Roblox Mobile. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Robux to someone in the Roblox app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. Before we get started, it's important to note that there is no direct way to transfer Robux to someone on Roblox. So we need to use a workaround in Please Donate, where we can have someone donate Robux to someone else and they will receive those Robux after a 7-day period once Roblox processes it. So we're gonna get started with the person receiving the Robux right here on my Samsung phone. And what that person needs to do is open up the Roblox app, then select More in the bottom menu. After that, scroll down and select Create. Then once in Create, select the little 3 lines next to Home and select Creator Hub. From there, select the dashboard. And then in Dashboard, you just wanna select your place. If you have multiple places, make sure you select a public place. So I'm just going to select this one right here. Once that loads, go ahead and select the 3 lines in the top left one more time. And then you just want to scroll down and where monetization is at, select that, and then select passes. So now all we need to do is scroll down, select create a pass. And then all we need to do is give this pass a name. So I'm just going to name it Give Robux. You can upload an image to it if you want to or add a description, but all you need is the name. So scroll down, select create pass. It'll then take you back to the list of the game passes that you've created. So here's the one that we just created, Give Robux. If I scroll to the right, you'll see that it's currently marked off sale, and we need to change that. So to change it, select the game pass. Then once you have it selected, select the 3 lines in the top left, and then select sales. From there, all we need to do is toggle on item for sale, and then put in the amount that you want to receive from your friend or from anyone in Robux. But keep in mind that Roblox will keep 30%. So if I put 100, I'm only going to get 70 of those because Roblox by default keeps a 30% processing fee. So put in the amount you want and just keep in mind you're only going to get 70% of that. So I'll select Save Changes, then Proceed. And once I've done that, I can hit the back button in the top left until I get back to my game passes. And then I can find Give Robux and you'll see that it currently has a price next to it. So now the person receiving the Robux is done. They don't have to do anything else. They can go and play Roblox as much as they want. The person sending the Robux, all they need to do on any device is open up the experience, Please Donate, start playing it. And then once the game opens up, select this little gift icon in the left side under the cart. And you just need to enter their name. So the person I'm giving it to is this name right here. You just need to enter that. You can type a message if you want to, and then just select gift. If nothing happens when you do that, that means that you did not type the username correctly. Once it loads, you'll see all the different game passes that that person has created. Select the one that you want to give. I'm going to do a small one because I don't have very many Robux. Then all you need to do is select the icon right there with the Robux, select OK, and then you can send them a notification that you sent them the Robux by selecting invite. Now the person that you sent the Robux to just needs to open up Please Donate. Once they open up Please Donate, select the gift icon in the left side, and then select the little mail icon. Once it loads, you'll see the Roblox that was sent to you, and all you need to do is select Claim. Then that Roblox will be sent to you in around 7 days. Check the description. I have a video about this, but Roblox takes about 7 days to process this transfer. So if you go in here and you find other items you can claim, select Claim, and then those will be added to your Roblox account. And that's how you transfer Robux in Roblox Mobile. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.